Okay. A dupatta is only 2 meters long. How is there still more? Let's back up.
It started as a perfectly peaceful laundry day. Too peaceful.
I'm coming! I'm coming! Just... I am one with the silk now.
I will find him.
Finally, she reached the source of the golden river.
Ta-da! You little monkey.
She shouldn't have been surprised. For as the kings of ancient Lanka learned, when you try to wrap the tail of Bajrangbali, the cloth will always run out before his energy does.
Okay. Best cape ever.
Boo!
To bind his tail, they brought all the cloth in Lanka, but his tail continued to grow.